Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Allison and I help all of you to achieve a more elegant and feminine lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a cozy night in. This was actually filmed a couple weeks ago, but these are still things I do to unwind on a chilly night and when I just want to stay in and be cozy. The sun was starting to set at this point, so I turned some lights on and I lit a candle to set the mood. This Christmas cookie scent from Yankee Candle is absolutely amazing. I use it all year round. My family and I made some dinner, and my mom brought out the wine and we had a caprese salad for our appetizer. After dinner, I wanted to clean up my room a bit, and I usually have more free time at night to catch up on things like that. The suitcase had actually been packed and sitting there for a week with random stuff inside from when I went to go stay at my dad's for a couple of nights, but I finally unpacked and got rid of miscellaneous stuff that I had lying around, so the room looked a bit tidier and felt more relaxing to be in. I then went into the bathroom and got super snug in my robe while I ran a bath. I had this bath bomb from Lush that I used that night, and it made the water look and smell super luxurious. I put on a face mask that I could wear while I was in the bath and just made sure to apply it evenly all over my face. Then I was ready to get in. Usually when I'm in the bath, I like to read or watch a video on my phone, and I always keep a hand towel nearby in case my hands get wet. Once I got out and rinsed the face mask off, I started my skincare routine. I used this dark spot toner from Ole Henriksen that is supposed to be brightening, and it smells really nice and fresh. I apply this with the reusable cotton round. Then I use my retinol eye cream from Glow Recipe, and it comes with this amazing teeny tiny little spoon for more hygienic application, so you're not sticking your fingers into the pot, but it's just really fun to use. I gave myself a little facial massage with some techniques I learned from TikTok. I don't know if they work or not, but they feel good. And then I changed into some cozy and comfy pajamas. I also got this new mini tripod for my phone, and it has been so useful when I'm filming videos and need to use my phone for something instead of my camera. I painted my nails that night because I just find that super relaxing, and it also makes me feel productive, like I'm checking something off my list. I used my mini macaroon at-home gel set as usual, and I honestly love that thing and use it every time I paint my nails. That night I just decided to go with a light nude color. And then it was time to really relax. I made some hot cocoa with marshmallows, put out some cookies, lit a candle, and cuddled into the couch with my sister to watch some Netflix. We were a little late to the game, and we were watching Emily in Paris, which is just a fun show to unwind. I wouldn't say it's the best TV show I ever watched, but it certainly is a fun show to watch on a night like that. I got comfy under the softest blanket ever and enjoyed my hot chocolate. I like to use this lavender mist every night before I go to bed. I just spray it on my pillows and my body knows that it's time for sleep once I smell the lavender. I hope you all enjoyed this video and felt super cozy. Comment down below any good movies or TV shows you've been watching so I know what to binge on my next night in. Make sure to subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye, see you soon.